Here's a simple primal movement flow for you. It's only about 3 moves. It's figure 4. We're going to go other way, and then we're going to put the hand that's on the knee down, go into tabletop, and then we're going to go 1, sit through to the side, 2, sit through to the side, back to tabletop, and then we're going to put our hip back down, oh yeah, and then we go the other direction, sit through, and we're going to go here, hand down, into tabletop, sit through, back to neutral, figure 4, and sit through, figure 4, or tabletop, figure 4, other side, tabletop, sit through. If you don't know these moves, you'll want to go into the library and see each one individually.